Yes, gang, that's right. That's right. It's Poppy's other workshop. Hey, gang, Poppy here. It's Monday, the 9th of January, 2023. This video should have been out a couple, 3 days ago. But I was waiting for the mail to bring me this. There. Now I know why AVE uses a chainsaw to open stuff. There, see? Wrapping. USB Slim Portable Optical Drive. Packing material. Here's our manual. Boy, they really went all out. Oh, and here's another user manual. They went all out to make sure that I knew how to use their product. Well, it says it's an RW drive. We'll find out. That goes down. Power cord. Go in here. Already, I'm not all that happy. In the listings, this was a USB 3 with backwards to 2 compatibility. That's not a USB 3 plug-in. But then again, perhaps a big problem I had with the last one was the USB 3. That is a possibility. Yes, it is. Okay. Well, it opens better. Here we go. Classic. The fuck? I didn't ask you to go to no damn Hulu. Get back on YouTube. There's a an Emerson TV, sorry. There's an Emerson TV right behind you. It's got a Roku box. Right? Yeah, Roku. Tuner attached. Where were I? Oh, there's the library. Okay, dock finished. Okay, well, it demands a restart. Surprise, surprise. Force restart. Oh boy, in Chinese. Just love it. I'd have been better off with a hand printed card saying, plug it in, see if you can get it to work.
Whoa. Whoa, mama.
I'm recording.
Sorry.
Oh, you can be out. Just watch what you say. Okay. While I'm waiting for that computer here, as opposed to this one to reboot, let me tell you, it was supposed to have been here Friday. Well, let's see, with pandemic. And obviously, the seller waited till they got the money in their bank account before they even thought about shipping. As it was like Saturday, the email said, "Oh, it's being shipped." I'm going to stop you for a while. Hey, gang, good news! Good news! Buttoning my shirt is not the good news, although for some. Anyway, uh, the burner, it burns. It burns Blu-ray. It burns the Blu-ray discs I have on hand. I just burned a test disc. I found 20-something gigs worth of stuff on this computer. and I burned it off. Beautiful. After it finished burning, I put it back in. My computer come up and showed me all these files I just burned there. Finally. I mean, admittedly, it's not an LG Blu-ray burner. I mean, that was so fun. I was so fond of my LG Blu-ray burner. You know what I mean? It burned all formats of Blu-ray. You know, the pluses, the minuses, the 2-layer, the 3-layer, the 4-layer, M-disc. Now that's mineral. I haven't done any research on it, but the fact that they use mineral for the clear member, and they use gold instead of aluminum. Yeah. They say it lasts 1,000 years. I'd love to be around in 1,000 years to see if M-discs lasted that long. Anyway, okay, now we get back to the Blu-ray situation. Okay, I showed you the casing and a bunch of the stuff of my LG Blu-ray player. There's the power supply and USB 3 cord. Well, they're good. They work. Okay. Here's the board that connects the actual burner to the outside world. It's got SATA connections, but instead of 2, they're 1 pushed together. Make sure people can't backwards compatibility it, huh? There's not a hell of a lot there. Omega Geek 64, he'd want 10 tons of these, be paid to haul away 10 tons of these before he'd even look at them. And here's the inside. You see there. They connect together like that. This isn't much better. There's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These look like diodes, so there's probably not much value there. Here we got a couple of little switches. Actually we got 3 switches, a single and a double. Here's the motor. Okay. Another piece of circuit board, pretty much useless. Okay. 2 nice screws. These a keep. A little dry belt for the motor that moved the cookie tray in and out. Yeah, that's right. I called it a cookie tray. Okay, now, here as you see is the actual burner mechanism. I got this part here, it magnetizes. These rubber footies, they're good. Yank them. They go with the 2 screws and that rubber belt. The magnets in here, this is just steel. I mean, there's some nice parts in here. But, you know, unless you need this little motor and this, yeah. Laser in there, you know.
Oh, it hurts.
In the trash. Bye-bye. I mean, they're not even any appreciable gold recovery nowadays in electronic waste. You literally have to be paid to haul it away by the ton, have slaves separating all this shit, don't have to pay for electricity, don't have to pay for your chemicals, are given your glassware and other apparatus as gifts. Then you could make money recycling e-waste for precious metals. No. Anyway, I'm happy with my little Blu-ray burner. I was all ready to give you the name, eBay seller name of the guy if it was bad. You know, do not buy from this guy, but hey, it works. So, I'm keeping it. Good night from California. Oh, we've had so much rain that parts of California are washing into the ocean. Not falling off because of earthquake, I mean washing away. Landslides, flooding, people are dying. So, good night from California. If you don't have it as bad as we do, good. Because our people got it a lot worse than we do. Good night.